Sphericalsoft presents House of Lords, Tutorial Part 4.
This tutorial introduces you to collecting resources to construct buildings. We must collect enough resources to construct a fort and a tower. As we've already covered acquiring tiles and resources, we will fast forward through claiming all the territories and building our inventory.
Once we're getting close to ready, we can tap on one of our empty land claims and select Build from the menu. This brings up a list of buildings we can construct. Here we see we can build a fort or a castle on a meadow. When you do not have enough resources, list items are labeled with insufficient resources, and the unmet requirement is marked in red. Once all the resources are available, we can tap a list item to build it. By building a tower, fort, or castle, your resource storage limit is raised. Next, we'll build the tower. Towers can only be built on mountain tiles. Once the tower and fort have completed construction, the level will be finished. And with that, the level is complete. Fare thee well until next time.